Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Disk Management because that's where Windows assigns drive labels. Press Windows plus X and select Disk Management. Once Disk Management appears, make sure you're signed in with an administrator account so changes stick. Identify the volume you want to rename by checking the drive letter and free space. This avoids renaming the wrong partition. Now right-click the correct volume. You're ready for the first actionable change. Choose the option to change the drive letter and paths or to rename the volume. Once you've right-clicked the volume, decide whether to rename the label or change its drive letter. These are separate actions. If renaming, open Properties, type the new volume label up to 32 characters and click OK. This only changes the visible name, not data. If changing the letter, choose Change Drive Letter and Paths, click Change, pick an unused letter, and confirm. Make sure no programs depend on the old letter. After either action, Windows updates Explorer. Give it a moment to refresh. To finish, verify the new name or letter shows correctly in File Explorer and Disk Management, and then close the tool. If something goes wrong, make sure to reboot first. This resolves most cache or lock issues. If a program can't find files, temporarily reassign the original drive letter to restore paths, then plan a controlled migration. If you see permission errors, run Disk Management as administrator and try again. This fixes most access denials because you need elevated rights to change drive assignments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.